What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a fading gradient for your video or for your photo in Canva PC. So firstly, what you want to do after you added your photo or your video is to go to elements and we're going to choose a square from shapes. So let's do that. Then what we want to do with the square is to fill up the image like so, and then we're going to go to color. Now we want to scroll down till you see default gradient colors. Here what you want to do is to pick a random one, and after you did that you're going to scroll up and you're going to go to add new color. As you can see here we have the colors of our gradient. So let's choose this one, and for this one you're going to decrease the transparency. And as you can see, you are making a transparent gradient. And now if we decrease the size of the initial square, as you can see, the gradients become smaller and smaller. And as simple as this, you just made a fading gradient for your picture or for your video in Canva PC. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.